how to erase personalized predictions for Samsung keyboard on the Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on General, Management. After that, scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on Reset to default settings. In here, tap on Erase Personalized Predictions. And from the small pop-up, tap on Erase. And that's it. Now tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And you are now done. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.